another beautiful question. We're going to take some time and solve this also. These two lines are parallel. We need to find angle y. Right? This angle is y. This angle would also be y. Right? Now, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. This is 90. So we can find this angle. Right? So once we find that angle, we can do something with these two lines being parallel. So let's find that. Right? 90, let's say this, we call it as x plus 52 equals 180. So our x plus 52 is 90. X is 90 minus 52. 9 minus 2 is 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 2. 38. This is 38 degrees. We still haven't found out y. Right? Let's reimagine y. So this angle is 38. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. This angle is 38. These two lines are parallel. If this were 38, what would this be? This would also be 38 because they are alternate interior angles. So we can say this angle is 38. Y plus 38 is 180, or y is 180 minus 38. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 142 degrees. Because it's a straight line. Or you can say this angle is y. This is a straight line. The other way of thinking about this y and this 38, these two angles are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. They add up to 180. One angle is 38. Other angle should be 180 minus 38. 142 degrees.